Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. As you can see here, everything's going really well. Unfortunately, I missed these out and I've let them dry out. These are my tomato plants. But I put them in here to soak, so they should be fine after. Give them a few hours in there. They should come back to life. Same with these. These cosmos were doing really, really well. As you can see, some of them dried out and died there. But we all make mistakes and we all forget things from time to time. So nothing to worry about. I can always sow some more if they do die. There we have some echinacea that I've nipped the top out of just to encourage some side shoots so it thickens up, so I get more flowers out of that. That is something you can do with echinacea. If you've got bare root ones, nip the top out now if they're in the greenhouse, and it will encourage more side shoots. Then we have back there potatoes right at the front at the window there, and then we have my begonias surrounded by some foxgloves that have self-seeded, which I'll take out, but that should produce a real nice lot of flowers shortly. Then we have up here 10-week stalks that need taking down from there because they're reaching the top of the greenhouse. Next to them we have some pinks, some carnations, and the next shelf down we have gypsophilia just there. Then next to those we have agastache apricot, and then here lemon balm, which are all growing really well. Then just up there some potatoes that need earthing up, and I'm going to put another pot on top of them as well. Back there some petunias, beautiful big tomato plant there. Then we have begonias. These are my show begonias from Firebricks Nurseries. Then we have some caladulias there, and then some nemesias that are only potting on. Everything's just snowed under with stuff at the moment. Then we have some delphiniums, which I'll plant out next few days. As we come round, these are my Chinese, I forget the name, radishes, Chinese radishes. You can see nice thick, gorgeous radishes there. Then we have some Gelsperma floribundia that need potting on. And at the top there, beautiful, beautiful flowers. Some sweet peas, Chinese radish, and then some more delphiniums. If we come round here, we have, what do we have here? Verbascum, Snow Maiden, which are all looking really, really healthy. And then we have some cornflowers at the back. Then we have my pelargonium cuttings. I'm going to be giving some of these away, so keep tuned. I'll put a competition up, and I'll send probably 10 or 20 of those out to people in the UK. And then we have here, oh, my beautiful lupins, and some dahlias. And then we have some petunias, which are growing really, really well. Just get this one down. Then at the back there, marigolds, some lupins, and some delphin. I forget the name of those now. But anyway, look at the flowers at the back there, absolutely stunning. If you come down here, we have pelargoniums, some tomatoes that I've let dry out, some begonia cuttings, and some dahlias. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep watching, please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.